Yaber T1 Pro Mini Portable Cinema Projector. Smart, compact, and designed for modern entertainment, the Yaber T1 Pro Mini Portable Cinema Projector is a compact and intelligently designed projector that delivers a complete home cinema experience in a highly portable form factor. Built for users who value convenience, smart streaming, and immersive audio-visual performance, the T1 Pro positions itself as an attractive solution for bedrooms, apartments, and on-the-go entertainment. High-quality visual performance at its core. The Yaber T1 Pro features a native Full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring sharp image clarity and accurate detail for movies, TV shows, and casual gaming. Support for HDR10 enhances contrast and color depth, improving performance in darker scenes. With a short throw ratio of 1.18 to 1, the projector can display large images up to 120 inches from relatively short distances, making it ideal for smaller rooms. To simplify setup, Yaber has equipped the T1 Pro with advanced automatic image adjustment technologies, including autofocus, auto keystone correction, intelligent screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance. These features allow users to achieve a perfectly aligned image within seconds, without manual calibration. Immersive audio experience. Despite its compact size, the T1 Pro delivers impressive sound through an 8-watt built-in speaker powered by Yaber's Turbosonic acoustic technology. With Dolby audio support, dialogue remains clear while bass response is noticeably stronger than typical mini projectors. Bluetooth connectivity also allows users to pair external speakers or headphones for an enhanced audio setup. Built-in smart streaming. One of the standout features of the Yaber T1 Pro is its integrated smart system, which includes licensed access to popular streaming platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. This eliminates the need for external streaming devices. With Wi-Fi 6 support, users benefit from faster and more stable streaming performance, while wireless screen mirroring enables easy content sharing from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Thoughtful design and portability. Designed with portability in mind, the projector weighs approximately 1.25 kilograms, making it easy to carry and transport. The built-in 180-degree rotating gimbal stand allows projection onto walls, ceilings, or angled surfaces without additional mounts. A convenient carry handle and pop-up ready design further enhance usability, making the T1 Pro suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Ideal use scenarios. The Yaber T1 Pro is well suited for home movie nights in bedrooms or living rooms, portable entertainment for travel or outdoor gatherings, casual gaming and sports viewing in low-light environments. It is important to note that, like most compact projectors, its brightness is optimized for dim or dark settings, rather than brightly lit rooms.